Right, gonna get a laugh out of this from next door at Tim's. All my, I get everything fixed and repaired. Hey, Tim, guess what? I got something behind my back, right? And what do you think it is?
It's a Legacybox.
Yeah. The biggest, shittest company known to man.
A Legacybox.
Oh my God! It's full
of unplayable tapes.
I haven't even opened it yet. Hold on, let's open it. Shall we?
Yeah.
Let's see what the hell's inside. Here we go. Look, an unboxing at Arizona Video Electronics. Yes, my VCR repair guru. All right, let's do an unboxing here. Let's cover the customer's details.
Yeah.
Let's see. All right, what do we got here? I'll let you do the honors. Come on. Here you go. You can do what I do all the time. And hold on.
Oh, it's probably
One more there.
Oops.
All right, let's see what kind of shit's inside here. Oh, film reels.
Oh, film. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. All right. So
Unplayable.
Yeah, of course. This reel is empty. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Telltale sign of sound movie film. So, this is sound Super 8, right? They do not transfer Super 8 sound because ready for it, the technology isn't up to their standards.
So they just put a sticker that says the reel is empty. Even though
they transfer it.
Oh.
They transfer it, but it's silent. Because the technology isn't up to their standards. AKA, they don't have the equipment.
They don't have the equipment.
AKA, they've got to spend millions on ad budget instead of spending money on equipment to do it. Exactly. They'd rather just tell the customer a load of BS and then give them their stuff back with no sound on it, and it's all silent. And then the customer has to find that out for themselves. I mean, dude, look at this, though. The state of... Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
I mean, and this is constant because these companies don't give a crap. They don't give a crap because they realize the customers don't give a crap.
Right.
I mean, look at the state of that.
Oh.
You know, people...
That's definitely water damage.
Water damage, people that do not... I mean, the film looks okay, but, you know, guys... This is what constantly, my hands are black constantly from just people haphazardly not storing their stuff correctly. Anyway, what do you got for me, Tim?
Got a Sony
If you're in
camcorder.
Phoenix, right, he fixes all the VCRs, camcorder stuff. If you're not in Phoenix, Tim does not do mail order.
Yes, I don't do mailing.
He doesn't do mail-in, but he is local. He is by appointment. Don't call him with stupid questions. Don't ask him to fix vacuum cleaners. What don't you do?
Oh, don't do vacuum cleaners. Don't do car stereos. Don't do sewing machines. We don't do any Boeing aircraft equipment.
Oh God, even Boeing can't do that.
Even Boeing can't do that.
Yeah, no. God, you know that on Kayak now, the travel app, they've got an option in there to deselect Boeing 737 Maxes. So if you want to travel by Boeing on a Max aircraft, they have a box you can check. So it's only
the other
Airbus or Embraer or whatever.
Right.
Unbelievable. Yeah. So anyway, without further ado, there. Yeah, more Legacybox shite. If you are looking at these companies, oh my God, it's constant. It's just a massive scam.
It's never ending.
Anyway, all right. So what do we got here, Tim? Tim fixed a
Sony camcorder mini DV.
mini DV. Okay, and then what was wrong with it again?
This one needed a new mechanism. Had a broken mechanism on it.
Broken mechanism. Okay, yep. So just the mechanism alone.
Yep.
What do these go for? Let's have a look here. $191 for a new mechanism assembly. So this stuff, it ain't cheap. You know,
Yep.
and parts. So the problem is now in this industry is all the parts.
Parts are getting scarce for them. They're starting to run out. We're getting problems getting parts for these older, even the mini DVs which was really kind of the last format for camcorders.
Yeah.
Starting to run out of parts for them.
Yeah, and also guys like Tim are not exactly on every street corner anymore. So yeah. Anyway, there's Tim there. Anyway, all right, Tim. Thanks very much. I'm going to cut that right now, and yeah, cheers.